Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Introduction to CUDA in PyTorch, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. CUDA, or Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by NVIDIA. It allows developers to use NVIDIA GPUs for general-purpose processing. In the context of PyTorch, CUDA can significantly accelerate deep learning computations. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using CUDA with PyTorch, covering the basics of GPU acceleration and providing code examples. Before you begin, ensure you have the following installed. You can check if CUDA is available on your machine and whether a compatible GPU is present using the following code. Once you've confirmed the availability of CUDA, you can move PyTorch tensors to the GPU using the to method. Performing operations on GPU tensors is seamless, and PyTorch automatically takes care of the GPU acceleration. When working with deep learning models, you can move the entire model to the GPU. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of using CUDA with PyTorch. You learned how to check for GPU availability, move tensors to the GPU, perform operations on GPU tensors, and run neural networks on the GPU. Leveraging GPU acceleration is crucial for speeding up deep learning computations, especially for large-scale models and datasets. Experiment with CUDA in PyTorch to harness the full power of your GPU for faster and more efficient deep learning tasks. ChatGPT.